Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. In the toolbox today, we're going to be talking about cold chisels. Now this is a normal tool review like I normally do. I'm going to be talking about the uses of these cold chisels and how they can be really handy, and really should have at least one or two in your toolbox. Incidentally, these are the two I've got in my toolbox. They're pretty good. I do have a few others too, but these are the two that I laid my hand on. As you can see, they're solid steel, pretty firm, pretty secure, and they've got a variety of different uses. I mean, recently I've used this one to break off a spinning locking wheel nut. So I broke this locking nut ring off so I can actually get it off with a stud extractor, or bolt extractor should I say. And this is a big one that I've used quite a few times. It's a bit more robust than this little tiny one. You see the end starting to mushroom out on this one. But apart from that, yes, they're pretty useful. You can use them for like taking off locking wheel nuts. You can use them for tracing out a broken off stud or bolt. Just get it in there and knock it at an angle, put a little divot in it, and then you can drive it around and break it loose, spin it out. You use these to make them more robust, like splitting apart parts. You can drive this as like a wedge into certain parts and get things out like that. Overall, you should definitely have a couple of these on hand when you're working on cars. Comes in really handy and really useful. Also, sometimes for like flattening parts out, you can use this like little anvil. I've done that before. When you just flatten out a piece of wire, I've laid it on here and just give it a tap with the hammer. Obviously, another good thing about these is you can sharpen up the ends to make them a bit easier for splitting. So I don't know if you can see that on camera. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit and get a bit close on. I've sharpened this one recently. I've used this and I sharpened it. But you need like about a bench grinder and just hold it at an angle and get them nice and sharp. If you're interested, I will do a video on that, on how to sharpen these, and also a video on their uses. Just have to let me know in the comments if you want that. This one I sharpened not too long ago as well. They have a very nice angle on here, it's about 60 degrees, and yeah, they work really well for splitting metal. Obviously with these you should always wear goggles to protect your eyes, just like one of this lovely Hercules one I've got. And they're all pretty robust little things, all very similar as well. And yeah, they have a lot of different uses. Apart from what I've mentioned, there's a lot of other ones as well. If you've got any use for a cold chisel, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to pin it so everyone can see it. And yeah, overall my final thoughts on these chisels are they're remarkably handy. I wouldn't mind getting a few more different sizes. Like I said, I've got a slightly smaller one that I couldn't find, but also get like a next one up in between these, because this big boy is great but he's hard to get into a lot of spaces. This little one's good, but his head's a bit too wide. So, like I said, there's such a wide variety of these chisels. It's best about finding the ones that you need really, and the ones that work best for your use. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.